Today, we will share with you how to make your own organic fertilizers for your houseplants. Here are the top 3 natural fertilizers that I use for my plants. Number 1. Eggshells. Eggshells are very popular to being used as a fertilizer because they are rich in calcium. Dry the eggshells and crush them to small pieces. Boil water, then transfer to a glass container. Put the crushed eggshells into the water and let it soak for overnight. This method will allow the minerals in the eggshells to leach into the water. Use this solution to water your plants. Alternatively, you may put the crushed eggshells directly on the base of your plants.
Number 2. Banana peels. Bananas are super rich in potassium, making it very suitable as fertilizer. Soak banana skins in water for a few days. This process will extract all the minerals from the banana skin. Use this solution to water your plants.
Number 3. Used tea bags. Don't throw away used tea bags. Teas are rich in potassium, calcium, and other minerals. That is why they can be used as plant fertilizer. Slit open the tea bags. Pour the teas in a clean container. Scoop the teas and place them directly on top of the soil. Water your plants so that the soil can easily absorb the minerals.
There you go, our zero-waste organic fertilizers that are readily available from your kitchen counter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button below. See you again in our next video.